Hello viewers, I am Rakib. In this lesson, I will discuss about the eraser tools in Photoshop. So here we have three eraser tools: basic eraser, background eraser, and the magic eraser tool. Using the eraser tool, let's make it a regular layer first. And using this basic eraser tool, you can erase anything from an image like this. And of course, you can decrease the flow whenever necessary, and also some other options, the hardness and different brush tips. So this option is interesting. You can bring back anything that you have erased like this. It doesn't matter which tool you have used to erase these areas. So after that, the background eraser tool. So using the background eraser tool, you can remove or erase any background, keeping the foreground intact. So this is our setup for this background eraser tool. The sampling is once and the limits is discontinuous, tolerance 32%, protect foreground color selected, and here the hardness and spacing are at the lowest. So with this setup, we can first sample the background and then we can go from the edges of our subject or object. So in this way we can erase any background, and after the critical parts are cut, then we can use the basic eraser tool, uncheck this and erase the remaining parts. Now we can bring a different layer to see the result. That's pretty good to use. Still we can do some corrections if we want. So let's bring everything back. And let's talk about the magic eraser tool. Let's go to another document. The magic eraser tool works exactly the same way the magic wand tool works. The only difference is when you are using magic wand tool to make selection that will be deleted, then instead of using magic wand tool, you can directly use the magic eraser tool and click that color that will be erased directly instead of making any selection. So here you can see some parts remaining because of the low tolerance. You can increase the tolerance whenever necessary. Let's bring it back and reapply using the 50% tolerance. So now you can see the coverage of that selection has increased, and we can remove the remaining area like this. So now we have to decrease the tolerance 32%. So it is done. Let's check the background now. So that's the result. And And let's see what would have happened if we use a magic eraser tool here instead of background eraser tool. You would get this kind of uh, sharp pour edges like this. So that's the reason of using background eraser tool instead of magic eraser tool in here. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, then you can share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. See you in the next lesson.